to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You're going to do probable cause. You have the right to have an attorney present to be silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney
On July
present if you
7th,
cannot afford one.
2024, witness 1 stated that he observed the defendant arguing and then striking the complaining witness stated that he observed the defendant arguing and then striking the girlfriend of 5 years with a closed fist. The complaining witness fell to the ground and then the girlfriend hit her in the face again. The complaining witness fell to the ground and then telling the complaining witness to run again, and then running into Kroger tried to intervene, telling the complaining witness security was outside and then running into Kroger security to ignore what was going on. Once security was outside, the defendant one called the police to ignore what was going on and to mind their business. The defendant struck the complaining witness again with a closed fist to the head as she was walking. The defendant struck the complaining witness again with a closed fist to the head and did not want the defendant to go to jail. The complaining witness stated the defendant was intoxicated and did not want the defendant to go to jail. The complaining witness.
Here comes the formal probable cause rundown, super important. This is where the judge confirms there's enough evidence to move forward. Think of it as the legal green light before the real case begins.
Law enforcement officers advised bruising on the right contact in the neck area of her head. And the defendant stated, I got her a ring, therefore I can do whatever I want to her. And the defendant stated, I got her a ring, therefore I can do whatever I want to her.
I got your bond, so I can do whatever I want. And I'm ordering you now as a condition of your bond not to consume. I can do whatever I want. Illegal drugs. And I'm ordering you now as a condition of your bond and not to consume alcohol. Illegal understand? Unprescribed controlled medication. I'm now issuing what's called a magistrate's order for emergency protection. You understand? I'm now issuing what's called a magistrate's order for emergency protection that identifies family violence or assault against Edmund as a protected individual. Furtherance of an offense under family violence or an assault against 42.07 Truth Act and furtherance of an offense under section 42.07 Truth harass. Penal code use another person to communicate a threat or harassing behavior. You can do none of this. Use another weapon to communicate a threat or harassing behavior. Feet or where she lives. You can do none of this. No weapons or no going with. You violate these conditions. The state can and will file a violation of a protective order against you. You violate these conditions now, Mr. can and will file a violation of a protective order against you. No as it stands now, Mr. Arismendo's and no contact. Otherwise, I'm going to put you in jail and I'm going to make your bond sky high. And no contact. Do you understand me, sir? Otherwise, I'm going to put you in jail and I'm going to make your bond sky high. History? Do you understand me, sir? Do you have any prior bond is set high for someone who, that's why, please, if you can write an bond is set high for bond is higher than what normally would happen. Please, someone would have an NCIC because the bond is higher than what normally would happen. Someone would have
bond decision, Your Honor, but with regards to this,
nothing.
Bond
How old are you,
decision,
sir?
Your Honor, but with regards to this.
What do you do for a living? Okay. How old are you, sir?
I work at a warehouse.
What do you do for a living? How much money do you make a month?
I work at a warehouse.
Who do you live with? How much money do you make a month? Did you graduate from high school? Who do you live with? Now we're going to start working on that. Did you graduate from high school? I will give you a lawyer today. Now we're going to start working on that. To figure out how we're going to get started. I will give you a lawyer today. You have 2 high school to figure out how we're going to get started to get online. Start researching how to get your high school diploma. I want you to do that. Get online, start researching how to get your GED. If you've done nothing, I want you to do that. Life for you is not going to go well with me. You come back in 2 weeks. You get my drift. If you've done nothing, life for you is not going to go well with me. Researching how to get your GED. Get your high school diploma. You cannot walk around life not at the minimum having your high school diploma. You and I are going to walk around life not. If you don't, at the minimum having a high school diploma. You and I are going to work on that together. You understand? I will put you over my knee like a little child and I'm going to spank you with a ton of jail time. Do you understand? So, if you have any, let me ask you this. Do you have a computer? So, if you have any, let me ask you this. Do you have a computer? How do you access the internet? You don't have to, you have a cell phone. How do you access the internet? Use your cell phone. And within 2 weeks, I want to see what you've done. Use your cell phone. Register and look for 2 weeks. I want to see if you have any issues. What you've done. Give your lawyer to register and look for classes. We have services. If you have any issues, I'm going to give you a lawyer today to get your high school diploma. We have services that can help you to do this. One way or the other. Get your high school diploma. Either go the easy way or can go the hard to do this. One way or the other. It can either go the easy way or it can go the hard. I already have an application on file. I understand. For now, I'm going to have you go to Victoria. We're going to have you sign a rescind. I already have an application on file. For your bond conditions. For now, I'm going to have you go to Victoria. We're going to have you sign a rescind. After that, you'll get one face for your bond conditions. No more dope, no more alcohol. You understand? Okay. Yeah.
I have an attorney, but I don't know where they are.
Yeah. They're always running late. Don't worry.
I have an attorney, but I don't know where they are.
Yeah. They're always running late. Don't worry. I know them well. Good morning, Mom. Thank you for coming. You are, is it Lonan? Good morning, Mom. Thank you for Lonan. Mr. Rushing, you're charged with possession of a controlled substance. You're facing up to a year in jail. Mr. Rushing, you're charged with possession of a controlled substance. You're facing up to a year in jail and anything you say can or will be used against you. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You cannot afford a lawyer. Have an attorney present during any questions. Any use with the state of Texas.
On July 7th, 2024, officers were dispatched to an address regarding a suspicious vehicle. Officers asked the defendant what he was doing, stationary, and chilling and hanging out. Officers asked the defendant a strong odor of burned marijuana chilling and hanging out. Officers smelled a strong odor of burned marijuana emanating from him, and officers conducted a pat down and glass cylinder-shaped bottle with 5 wide.
This mom is on full detective mode, home drug tests and all. But the judge shutting her down with, "I have a better test?" That's a power move. Also, notice how the judge balances accountability with genuine mentorship. It's tough, but
to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. I'm ordering you now, Mr. Rushing, to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. I'm ordering you now as a condition of your bond. If I find that you're consuming alcohol or dope, guess what happened? I'm going to randomly test you. If I find that you're consuming alcohol or dope, very good. Guess what happened? Mom, I'm in your hands. Anything else you want me to do? Very good. Mom, I'm in your hands. Anything else you want me to do? Okay.
Is this just like probation? No.
Well, let's not, I'll let your lawyer handle what's going to happen as far as, well, I know. It's not, I'll let your lawyer handle what's going to happen. My only concern is I want to make sure that he's not always running while he's don't worry.
I have a test at home.
My only concern is I want to make sure that he's not using it while he's don't worry about it. I have a better test. And I'm telling you now, Mr. Rush, don't worry about it. 31 days from today. And I'm telling you now, Mr. Rushing, if you test positive, that tells me that you've continued to test you for weed, and I will put you in jail. If you test positive, as far as the pills are concerned, I'm going to randomly test you, and I will put you in jail on an even, as far as the pills are concerned, if you're using, likewise, you will go to jail on an even faster basis.
this judge is not playing around. Notice how she mixes tough love with legal authority. Classic strategy to push young defendants toward education rather than incarceration. And honestly, the spank you with jail timeline is peak courtroom comedy.
The more difficult you just make it to get a job. And Rush. Am I boring you, Mr. Rush? Think it's easy on your mom?
I'm listening to you, sir. Like, absolutely.
Think it's easy on her?
I'm listening to you, sir. Like,
Did you graduate from high school?
Yes.
What are you doing now?
I work at Matthew's Cafe.
Did you graduate from high school?
Yes.
What are you doing now?
I work at Matthew's Cafe. It's like a restaurant.
Are you going to college?
I'm going to UH, University of Houston.
I graduated from there. It's a great school. The more you put into it, the better you're going to give. I graduated from there. It's a great school. Okay. The more you put into it, the better you're going to give. Like anything in life. Find that he's become a problem to you, just come back, talk to me, and I'll straighten him up. Or you find you need that he's become a problem. The problem is 18-year-olds they act like they can rule the world and know everything, but yet the problem is 18-years they act like they can rule the world and know everything, but yet does he have a license? Be careful. Okay. He has insurance, I suppose. Okay. Does he have a license? I will waive your appearance so he doesn't have to mindlessly come back to court. But you just have to stay in touch. I will waive your appearance so he doesn't have to mindlessly come back to court. For now, I'm going to have him sign a reset with Victoria. He's going to meet with Tracy for his bond conditions. For now, I'm going to have him sign a reset with Victoria. He's going to meet with Tracy for his bond conditions, and then we'll just have you wait. Mr. Smith, you're now charged with assault, bodily injury. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. Now charged with assault, bodily injury. You're facing up to a year in jail and or $4,000 fine. used against you. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present.
On July 8th, 2024, the security manager at SATF advised that there was an altercation between two residents. The complaining witness advised that there was an altercation between two residents. The complaining witness advised that on July 1st, the complaining witness said he was going down a hallway on his way to get a counselor's name for his own records. The complaining witness said, and as he was down a hallway on his way to get a counselor's name for his own records, stated, and as I would have him hit by now, counselor. The defendant walked by and stated, I would have him hit by now, the counselor. Cheek with an open The defendant struck the complaining witness felt pain in his left cheek with an open palm. The complaining witness on July 6th, 2024, the complaining altercation without retaliating. On July 6th, 2024, the complaining witness threw on July 8th, 2024, the defendant while the complaining witness was sleeping. On July 8th, entered the dormitory and struck the complaining witness with closed fist on his face and back. The complaining witness with closed fist on his face July 1st, 2024, and said that it was hot coffee on July 6th, 2024, and said on July 8th, and said that it was hot coffee on July 6th, 2024, and said on July 8th, the complaining witness was present and awake and had been taunting him throughout the
Mr.
day.
Smith, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. We took you into custody. Mr. Smith, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with your case. We took you into custody because you have a second-degree felony, and now they've issued a warrant. You're at no bond. 4200 second-degree felony, and now they've issued a warrant. You're at no bond.
So why is that? I was at the treatment facility and the roles were turned. I was at the treatment facility and of course I reacted. The roles were turned. He threw hot coffee in my face.
Get down to that at a later time. I don't know. That you guys get all the evidence and get down to the evidence is going to later time. Stories correct. I don't know. There's always two get all the evidence. I just don't know. The evidence is early to find out whose story's correct. I wanted to let you know why we're taking you. I just don't know, and it's on felony probation. I wanted to let you know why we're taking you into custody. They've issued a warrant. You're on felony probation on that case now. Now picked up this case. They've issued a warrant.
Why is it no bond? I was at the treatment facility. It was mutual. Why is it no bond? I was at the treatment facility and it's mutual combat. It was mutual combat.
I know that you're saying that, but how do I know if that's right? I don't know. I wasn't there. I know that you're saying that, but we got to figure out how do I know if that's right? I don't know. I wasn't there. Regardless, we got to figure out what happens. Really, but I don't know. The other problem is there's only so many treatment facilities we have. I'm now the other problem is back to the treatment there's only so many treatment I don't want you to accidentally run into this person. I'm now barring you from going back to the treatment facility. Yes. I don't want you to accidentally run into this person.
They're just because they've got keep harassing.
Yes. You're not.
I'm doing excellent at that thing. They're just because they've got Kelly Doyle.
You're not.
You can call them excellent. I'm doing what I have.
I know Kelly well.
Kelly Doyle. Please call her. She'll tell you. I'm an excellent. Kelly Doyle will tell you that I won't be back there. Please call her. She'll tell you.
For now, I'm ordering you now not to have any contact with the complaining witness. Not to be in possession of weapons. I'm ordering you now. The problem is that if this person is still over there, not to be in possession of weapons. The problem is that if this person is still over there, I don't want you to access. It's the felony court that's going to send you to whichever facility that you're going to go to. It's the felony court that's going to send you to whichever facility that you're going to go to. The other kicker is this: while this case is open anyways, you're not going to go to any facility. The other kicker is this: while this case is open anyways, I will appoint you someone to the facility. We'll figure out where we're going to go from here. And then, I will appoint you someone today. We'll figure out where we're going to go from here. Another, and then at some point we'll get you back into the facility. Or another.
Kelly, we talk to Kelly, please.
But it's the felony court. I don't have any say over what the felony court does. It's the 228. You're in a good court. I don't have any say over what the felony court does. Let's do this. Let me point you. Well, you're in a good court, and then I can always have your.